Let's quickly study the three types of air conditioning that work with solar energy. Solar air conditioning, only for daytime operation. Hybrid air conditioning, that works with solar and electric energy. 100% solar air conditioning. Now, let's quickly explain each operating mode of these units. Pure solar operation mode during the day. At dawn, the solar air conditioner starts operating slowly with solar energy, with a minimum output of 200 W. With full sun, it will work perfectly with solar energy until sunset. Hybrid solar and electric operation mode, over 24 hours. At dawn, the solar air conditioner starts operating slowly with solar energy. With full sun, solar energy works primarily, while electricity acts as a backup power source. At sunset, solar energy automatically switches to electricity, and at night, the solar air conditioner will operate solely on electricity. 100% solar operation mode over 24 hours. At dawn, the solar air conditioner starts operating directly with solar energy, and the batteries slowly stop working. As sunlight arrives, the solar panels provide power to the solar air conditioner and charge the batteries together. At sunset, it stops working and switches to batteries, which power the air conditioner automatically. At night, the solar panel air conditioner is a perfect alternative for air conditioning, providing savings on the electricity bill with the use of natural energy. The unit is basically composed of photovoltaic solar panel, transforms solar radiation into electricity. To generate electricity, a solar panel or photovoltaic module is made up of a set of electrically connected cells encapsulated and mounted on a support structure or frame. It provides a continuous output at its connection point, and is designed for specific voltage values, mostly 6 volts, 12 volts, or 24 volts, which define the voltage at which the photovoltaic system will operate. Solar panels allow the transformation of solar radiation into electricity. Charge controller. The charge controller manages and controls the current flow generated by the solar panel, preventing both overcharging and excessive battery discharge. Batteries store the energy generated by the solar panels. The solar panel air conditioner is practically a conventional air conditioning unit, with the difference that its electrical components are powered by direct or continuous current. It regularly operates with a voltage of 48 volts. In recent years, there has been an increase in demand for this type of air conditioning due to its energy efficiency and low environmental impact. The components of an air conditioner are the same as those of a conventional one. Thus, we have in the indoor unit located inside the room, evaporator, evaporator fan. In the outdoor unit located outside the room, we have compressor, condenser, condenser fan, capillary tube. Additionally, we have the pipes that connect the outdoor and indoor units. Liquid line, vapor line.